Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at PHALA Network. So PHALA Network right now, hopefully I am saying it correctly, is at 3076. It is 337% up in 24-hour volume, and market cap, we are up 97%. So let's take a look at the hype of the coin itself. So taking a look on our daily chart, really, you guys, is this huge pump in volume. 339 million compared to 714 million, and then going into this next candlestick. So huge stride. We can see that we are considered to be overbought here, but again, if people are still buying into the coin, then we can anticipate that the price is going to continue to go up. However, in my mindset, there's a lot of people that are going to be cashing out, and we're going to see a lot of the volume itself being pushed more into the seller's side. So let's quickly take a look. This is on a daily chart, but I kind of want to take a look closer into these candlesticks here. So here is the 4-hour candlestick. We can see the body itself coming down. We are at the very top of our Bollinger Band. Again, another hint that we are considered to be overbought. But what is concerning to me here is that we saw a crossover, not even at our 80% of our RSI here. So normally anything over 80%, it is considered to be overbought, and a selling opportunity, or these two lines, would cross over and give us that selling opportunity. But we fell short. We saw it at 83%, which again is still considered to be overbought, but we saw the selling signal here at 65%. So normally whenever I see this, it does show me some weakness when it comes to the coin itself and the ultimate impulse for the price to go up and the overall market of the people that are buying into the coin itself. So whenever I see again the crossover less than 80%, it does show me or tell me that the sellers are going to be taking heavy control of the marketplace. And as we can see already with the impulse of the price coming up, the price needed to correct itself. So it's coming back down. We can see that the body itself is normally at the very top, but the wick at the very bottom here is quite, is basically the same size as the body itself. So where I think the price is going to come down, it's still going to come down a little bit more. It's probably going to test or retest the 50%, which is the 27 cents here. As we can see, the MACD indicator, which does measure momentum, is getting smaller. It did initiate the lighter green signal, which does show momentum being slow, or it is slowing down for this bear momentum itself. And as soon as we see these cross these two lines here, then it is going to go from this bull market to a bear market. But let's quickly take a look at our 2-hour time frame. I'm gonna get rid of this. Yeah, the body itself is getting quite small. We can see here spinning top candlestick in the green. Again, really it just shows us an exhaustion of this downtrend, which may bring the price up. We can see the resistance line somewhat over here, but what interests me more is going to be the volume. So we can see that the volume here is these nodes. I'm just going to Okay, so we've got 30.53 to 35.33, which essentially generated a lot of trades here. So this is a good area of supply and demand. If the price itself retraces and gets out of this area, then price may move fairly quickly to the next area of body. And we see this node at the 25 cents here, which is, closer to our 38% of our fib chart. So if the price, and we can see the price is kind of dancing right below here, if the price is going to come back down and move away from this area, it's most likely going to come either at the 50%, which is our retracement level, or this area of the next area of supply. A little bit different here for our 2-hour time frame. It might initiate a buying opportunity, depending again if we can have our momentum stay strong in the green. If we do see a weakness, as we are already seeing these histograms, these bars itself are coming down slower, which does show us weakness in the momentum, and it is probably going to flip over from the green to the red, then we're going to probably come back down to the 25 cents. That's only again if we see momentum slow down and flip over in the green to the red. But if we do see these bars or these lines open up, then it's going to give us the amount of strength of the momentum, and that buying opportunity is going to be twice as strong. And hopefully again, with that buying opportunity, as small as this correction is, it may give us the momentum to come back up to the 48 cents. So who knows, depending on the buying depending on the buying pressure itself. And again, the momentum stays in the green and expands those two lines further apart, the momentum itself is going to get bigger. So that's kind of my outlook here on PHALA Network. Normally, I don't ride on these coins that are pulsing in at more than 100%. Just be very, very cautious again because of this impulse. We're going to see that correction and we're going to see heavy selling pressure. So let me know what you guys think down below. Like the video if you enjoyed it. If you're new, subscribe to the channel, but I'll see you next time. Bye.